Kasco's high-performance surface aerators dramatically push high volumes of water into the air. This process increases the overall health of your water and keeps it thoroughly mixed. These self-contained units deliver up to 3 pounds of oxygen per horsepower per hour of operation, making Kasco Surface Aerators the most dependable and efficient units on the market. What's in the kit? 1 surface aerator unit, 3 float sections, 3 top float brackets, 3 bottom float brackets, 6 3/8-inch 16 by 9.5-inch hex head screws, 6 3/8-inch lock washers, 6 3/8-inch lock nuts, 3 unit mounting brackets, 6 1/4 20 by 3/4-inch screws, 6 1/4-inch lock washers, 3 mooring ropes. Optional bottom screen parts: 1 bottom screen, 3 bottom screen clips, 1 optional mesh screen, and zip ties. Find a large table or workspace to assemble the float. Start by arranging the 3 float sections in a circular pattern. Ensure that the plug, shown here, is facing downwards. Grab a top float bracket and align the bolt holes in the bracket with the bolt holes in 2 adjoined float sections. Now insert 2 9.5-inch screws through the aligned bracket and float holes. This may require some minor repositioning of the float sections as you push the bolts all the way through. Do not force the bolts through. Carefully turn the assembly upside down. Place the float bottom brackets over the bolt ends, which should now be extended through the float sections. Loosely install the 6 3/8-inch nuts. Grab your 3 3/8-inch by 1-inch bolts with 3 lock washers and nuts, and connect the top and bottom float brackets. Use the 3/8 by 1-inch bolts and 3/8-inch lock washers to secure the top and bottom float brackets to the aerator mounting ring. The notches on the bracket should be toward the top. For the next steps, you may want to have another person help you adjust the position of the assembled float as necessary. Lift the float assembly and place it over the aerator. Nest the cage ring on the top notch of 1 unit mounting bracket and use a 1/4-inch by 3/4-inch screw and 1/4-inch lock washer to secure the unit bracket on the float assembly. Repeat for the 2 remaining unit mounting brackets. Once all 3 mounting brackets are seated correctly on the cage ring, tighten all of the hardware. If you are installing the optional bottom screen, follow these steps. Slide the screen over the can as shown here. Next, remove the 3 inner nuts on the bottom of the float brackets and place a bottom screen clip over the bolt end. Then place the clip on the end of the screw, ensuring the clip flanges are on either side of a vertical bar, as shown here. Re-secure the nut over the bottom screen clip. Repeat for the remaining clips. Finish by tightening all hardware. If you wish to add the optional mesh screen, please refer to the manual for additional steps. You are now ready to install your Surface Aerator. Click the link in the video for additional installation instructions. Always remember, if you have any questions, please give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the world will be there to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.